Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file a J-1 tax return. First, you need to determine your tax residency status, which is crucial for choosing the correct forms. Most J-1 visa holders are considered non-resident aliens for tax purposes. Next, gather all your income documents, such as Form W-2 from your employer and Form 1042-S if you received scholarship or fellowship income. This initial step ensures you have everything ready to proceed. For non-resident aliens, Form 1040-NR is the primary federal tax return. However, if you meet the substantial presence test, you might file Form 1040 as a resident alien. Additionally, nearly all J-1 visa holders must file Form 8843, Statement for Exempt Individuals and Individuals with a Medical Condition, even if they had no income. Ensure you have these forms ready before you begin. Once your forms are complete, mail your federal tax return to the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS. Remember to keep copies for your records. Depending on the state where you lived or worked, you might also need to file a state tax return. The general deadline for filing federal income tax returns is April 15th, so mark your calendar and plan accordingly to avoid penalties. If your tax situation is complex, consider seeking assistance from a qualified tax professional specializing in international tax. Many universities and sponsor organizations also provide free or low-cost tax preparation assistance for J-1 students and scholars, so check with them first. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Taking these steps can make your tax filing process much smoother.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.